In this video, I am going to teach you how to change page URL in Elementor. So the first thing you need to do is you first need to head over and then have an Elementor onto your website. To do this, we will utilize the power of WordPress and then install Elementor through their plugin. In order to install, you need to first head over and log into your account or click onto this Get Started in order to create one. Now, under the plans and pricing, you just need to actually subscribe to their business plan right here in order to get the most and install plugins through that way. You will only be able to install WordPress if you have in here this particular plan. Now, since we want to change the page URL in Elementor, I have in here my actual website. Here is my Elementor right here. Now, to change its page URL, we first need to head over and access the WordPress admin dashboard and edit the page. Go over right here to the pages option. And then from in there, you can just modify the URL through this way. We have in here this Elementor. You can click onto this quick edit, edit as well as edit with Elementor option. You can also head over and click onto this part as well and then change it all together. Now, in order to edit this, we need to click onto this edit option and not this edit with Elementor. So click onto this edit option right here and then this will open this particular page into our WordPress editor and not to the Elementor editor. Now just wait for this to actually load and this is what it should look like. Now in here, the next thing you need to do is we just need to locate the permalink or URL section on the right sidebar. We have in here this onto the page. Just look for it right here. We have the page right here. You can click onto these three dots. You can rename this if you would want and change its slug as well. As you can see, its name is Elementor number 15 and its slug is also Elementor-15. So we just need to rename the actual page. For example, let's rename it events. Click on save. And then as you can see, the slug also changes. So that means that if its slug changes, it will also change the actual URL of this particular page. So that's how you change a page URL in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.